We live surrounded by screens, pings, and notifications. Every few minutes, our attention shifts not because we want it to, but because we have trained it to scatter. The result more activity, less awareness. This constant stimulation weakens your prana, drains your focus, and disturbs your inner stillness. Namaste, Karyans. I'm Vanitha Ganeshmurthy Dgvg, and your Vedic Productivity Coach and the founder of KaryaSiddi Productivity Hub. You're listening to Vedic Productivity Talks, where we grow 1% every day the Vedic way. Today, let's understand how digital minimalism, reducing digital clutter, align with ancient Vedic principles of detachment, awareness, and focus. The Katha Upanishad says, when the five senses are still and the mind is at rest, then begins the highest path. This is the essence of digital minimalism. Our screens are modern extensions of the indriyas. When they are overstimulated, the mind loses its rhythm. By practicing restraint, we return to Pratyahara, the fifth limb of yoga, meaning withdrawal of the senses. The Bhagavad Gita guides us whenever the mind wanders, bring it back under the control of the self. Every time you put your phone aside, mute notification, or create sacred tech free time, you practice tapas, that is the discipline, and the awaken your Ajna Chakra while balancing the Sahasrara Chakra. What are the simple Vedic practices? Point number one, begin your day with silence. No phone for first 60 minutes. Keep one tech free zone in your home. You alter dining space or bed. Point number three, before touching your device, recite mentally. Let my senses serve my purpose, not my distraction. These rituals shift you and your energy from reaction to reflection. Start your digital detox hour today. Tag your reflections with hashtag Vedic Digital Minimalism and hashtag KaryaSiddi Productivity Hub. Let's bring awareness back to attention the Vedic way. I wish you all to be very productive and have a great day. Bye, Jai Hind.